Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so there are 8 students, 4 boys and 4 girls. Boys are B1 to B4 and girls are G1 to G4. We have to seat them on 8 chairs such that boys and girls sit alternately. Also, one more condition is given that B1 and G1 will not occupy the end positions or the extreme positions. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 positions. So we can have a boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl kind of scenario when we start with the boy and end with the girl. Also we can have girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy kind of scenario. Okay. If you look at it here, in both the scenarios we are getting B and G at extremes. Okay, over here boy is on this extreme, girl is on this extreme. In the second scenario, girl is at this extreme, boy is at that extreme. Okay, what we want is we do not want B1 and G1 to occupy that. Okay, so either we will have this kind of arrangement or we will have this kind of arrangement. Okay, we will find the number of ways for any one of them. The number of ways for the second arrangement will be same. Okay, because of or we will add these two number of arrangements to get the answer. Okay. So we're going to look at this scenario. Now if you look at it, there are 4 places for boys. But when B1 comes in, B1 does not have this option. Okay, because B1 cannot occupy the end position and this is one of the end positions or extreme positions. So B1 has 3 options left. So B1 can be seated in 3 ways. Now B1 is seated in 3 ways. Then B2, the next boy coming in, B1 has occupied one of the boys' position out of the 4 positions. So B2 will have 3 options left. Then B3 coming in will have 2 options left because of out of 4 positions for boys, 2 are occupied. And finally B4 will have 1 position left. We have to seat all of them, B1 and B2 and B3 and B4. So the number of ways they can be seated is 3 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 18. Okay. So number of ways these 4 boys can be seated will be 18. Similarly for girls, G1 cannot occupy this position. So G1 has 3 options to choose from or G1 can be seated in 3 ways. Okay. Now the next girl coming in, G2 will have 3 options again because out of 4 options, G1 has occupied one of the place. Okay. So number of girls will also be seated in the same 18 ways. 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So boys are seated in 18 ways. Girls are also seated in 18 ways. Okay, and we are seating boys and girls. So the number of ways the seating arrangement will happen is 18 times 18. Okay, this is for boys and this is for girls. Okay, why multiplication? Because we are seating both boys and girls. Okay, because of and multiplication is here. So 18 times 18 is 18 square, which is 324. Okay, so there are 324 ways in which the arrangement can happen like this, which is starting from a boy and ending with a girl. We also have this option starting with the girl and ending with the boy. This option will also can be completed in 18 times 18, which is 324 ways. Okay, because the number of options, number of ways for both these options will remain the same. Okay, now there is an OR here. So that means the total number of ways will be 324 plus 324, which is equal to 648. Okay, so 648 is the answer here. Okay, so there are 648 ways the arrangement can happen. All right, that is how we solve this question.